What's good, my wonderful people? Today is Tuesday and we are in the trade, yeah? How I said on my previous video, if you watched it, yeah, I was seeing this price action going up. And I say if the price action will gonna start making his move back down, I'm gonna enter a sell, yeah? So basically that's what I did. The price action basically took these lows, these highs, and right now he's making his move back up, back down. Made a huge pullback into these particular zones, all this consolidation, and made a huge bearish engulfing. Here I enter a trade, and obviously the price action basically start rejecting right away. I was surprised. I thought it's gonna take my stop loss right away, but my stop loss is sitting above this high, so it's kind of not that bad, yeah. The only thing why I'm waiting right now is just to come here to take this high, these lows. Reason why, because I will expect the price action to come to take this low, but unfortunately, I rather just take my profit like before this zone basically. So I rather just take it here somewhere, and we will see how the price action will develop. How you saw on my previous videos, I took an L again and again and again, and this is the 5th time. So I'm waiting right now to see when my losing streak is over. So that's why I'm waiting for. If you're waiting too, make sure you're gonna like this video to support me and to show me some love. But at the end of the day, you can do whatever you want. But for now, guys, if you want to stay and see the results, just make sure you're gonna stay to the end. And let me show you also the, how is it called? To show you also the trade. So yeah, guys, we'll see how this price action eventually will play it out. I will keep you posted as usual. Just a small update, guys. Yeah, so basically how you can see, I'm still in the trade. The price action basically melted to the downside, then very beautifully pulled back literally to the entry point, even little bit above. I do really need like this this price action to start developing on my way, because I'm already on my 5th loss in a row. So I would like to see my my losing streak end up already and turning to the winning, because this is 1 to 2 risk to reward, which is it's beautiful. It's beautiful. We'll wait for it. Stay tuned, guys. So yes, we finally hit our TP and we end up our losing streak. Yeah. What I want to say, I did close the trade a bit earlier. I did close it on this candle. The reason why is very simple, because it was basically almost the end of the day, so I didn't want to like the price action after midnight to spike up or down with a huge and wide spread, and plus, you know, to take the commission overnight, because it's gonna be like $20-30, something like that. So I just decided to take the price action right here, and I think I did made a good decision. The reason why I'm saying that is, anyway, yeah, it did hit the profit target, because my profit target, it was right here. It did take it, it did get to this, but if I wouldn't stop my position right here, the price action would open here with the wide stop loss, and I still would be in the trade. So yeah, guys, that was my trade, and I'm happy about it. And obviously, if you did like it, make sure you're gonna hit that thumbs up, subscribe button, and see you in my next one. Peace and love, guys. I'm out.